Welcome back. You're watching CNN News 18 with me, Griha Atul. A new wave of global tech investment is sweeping into India months after Trump's dead economy barb. After Prime Minister Narendra Modi met back-to-back with CEOs of Microsoft, Intel and Cognizant, and now Amazon has gone on to announce a $35 billion investment in AI-driven digitization. Exports, jobs, all of this by 2030. Microsoft chairman and CEO Satya Nadella has pledged a record $17.5 billion investment, the company's biggest ever in Asia, for India's artificial intelligence first future. Now, Intel CEO Lip Bu Tan has also reaffirmed support for India's semiconductor mission. Cognizant's leadership, which has been led by CEO Ravi Kumar, has outlined plans to accelerate AI adoption across industries while investing heavily in education and workforce development. Prime Minister Modi, remember, also noted that the world today looks at India with optimism and India's youth are ready to lead the digital future. Now, here's why the investment is important. Remember, the investment's primary focus is expanding India's cloud and computing infrastructure, which is essential for developing and running sophisticated artificial intelligence applications. So the AI infrastructure and that building of the hyperscale AI infrastructure is paramount. That's why that is the number one point that we'd like to put out for our viewers. Now, all of this includes the development of new large-scale AI-ready data centers, such as the upcoming facility in Hyderabad, which will be Microsoft's largest in the country. So this is what we are looking at: development of AI skills. Skill development is something that is a key focus area, and this is a key part of the investment, as the talent gap needs to be addressed by focusing on workforce transformation. Now, Microsoft has doubled its commitment to training 20 million Indians with essential artificial intelligence skills by 2030. Now, this investment is designed to integrate AI across various sectors, so fostering innovation and economic growth across various sectors of Indian economy, enhancing efficiency and innovation. This particular deal will also be boosting the startup ecosystem. This will be done through partnerships with communities. Microsoft, remember, is also supporting over 5,000 startups and 10,000 entrepreneurs, aiming to propel India's AI ecosystem towards $1 trillion economy. All of this is absolute importance, and that is why all of these CEOs are looking at India for how and where they want to in fact get into as far as the AI or the artificial intelligence ecosystem is concerned. Let's take a look at this report that our colleague Aman Sharma has also filed for us.
Is India a dead economy as Donald Trump thought? Well, the global honchos do not think so. Something extraordinary is happening in India, something the world's biggest technology companies haven't done anywhere in decades. A wave of global investments is converging on one country, and that country is India. From Silicon Valley to Washington, the message is clear. India is no longer just a key market. India is becoming the global hub of the AI and the semiconductor revolution. Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Cognizant, they are all together committing nearly $70 billion for India. This is their big confidence in India's growth story. It all began recently with Google in a move that stunned even the industry's veterans. Alphabet announced a $15 billion AI data hub in Visakhapatnam, a project designed to be one of the most advanced AI facilities on the planet and Google's largest outside the United States. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian called it a landmark moment, one that places India at the core of Google's global AI strategy. The momentum didn't stop there. On Tuesday, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella met Prime Minister Narendra Modi and delivered what is now Microsoft's biggest ever investment in Asia, a staggering $17.5 billion commitment to accelerate India's AI-first journey, build sovereign AI capabilities, and lay the foundation stone for the next decade of innovation. Nadella spoke of India's unique position in shaping the global AI landscape, and the Prime Minister welcomed the commitment, emphasizing that the world looks at India with fresh optimism. Then came a game-changing development, one that could reshape the global semiconductor supply chain. The Intel CEO reaffirmed Intel's long-term commitment to India and signed a major MOU with the Tata Group. This is not just an MOU, it's a strategic pivot, bringing manufacturing, assembly and advanced semiconductor packaging to Indian soil, putting India squarely on the map of the world's most powerful chip ecosystems. And joining this wave, Cognizant. Its top leadership also met the Prime Minister, laying out a sweeping plan to boost AI adoption across industries and invest heavily in India's talent and education landscape. The goal is simple: to create an AI-ready workforce not just for India but for the world. On Wednesday, Amazon said it will invest $30 billion in its businesses across India by 2030. Google, Microsoft, Intel, Cognizant, Amazon, these aren't isolated announcements. This is a coordinated global realignment. India's rise up the technology value chain, from cloud infrastructure to AI, from semiconductors to next-gen skills. This is no longer a forecast. It is happening right now. Prime Minister Modi said it is clearly, this is the moment for India's youth to harness technology, innovate boldly and help build a better planet. For global tech leaders, India is no longer just a part of the story. India is where the next chapter begins. A top government official told CNN News 18 that the world believes in India's digital destiny and India is ready to lead it.